By the end of this video, you're gonna know the 3 best hashtag strategies you need to be using right now on YouTube in 2024. Because if you want to maximize the amount of views that you're getting as a small channel, or if you're starting to see a decrease in views, it could be because you're using the wrong strategies. In fact, the last one I'm going to share with you is by far the most important and makes the most small channels on YouTube go viral. Section 1. Understanding the importance of video hooks. The battle for attention. In today's fast-paced digital world, viewers are bombarded with numerous content options, making it essential to capture their attention within the first few seconds. Failing to hook viewers early on can lead to high bounce rates, emphasizing the critical role of compelling video hooks in retaining audience interest. A captivating hook not only grabs attention, but also sets the stage for sustained viewer engagement throughout the video. Visual stimulation. Incorporating dynamic movements, engaging camera angles, and fast-paced editing can instantly captivate the viewer's attention, setting the tone for the whole video. Audio stimulation. Utilizing attention-grabbing sounds and immersive audio enhances the viewer's experience, drawing them in and encouraging active engagement. Direct tone of voice. Addressing the audience directly fosters a sense of intimacy and connection, elevating the viewer's engagement with the content. Hint at a payoff. A great hook leaves viewers curious and eager to learn more, hinting at the values they'll gain from watching the entire video, thus will stay encouraged to stay engaged throughout the whole video. Section 2. Deconstructing a great hook. Incorporating visually stimulating camera movements and angles instantly captures the viewer's attention, setting the stage for an engaging viewing experience. Fast-paced editing. As I said before, it utilizes quick cuts and transitions that creates an energetic and captivating visual narrative, drawing the viewer into the content. Engaging physical action. Incorporating compelling physical movements and actions add an element of excitement and intrigue to the video, enhancing the overall hook. Immersive sound design. Utilizing attention, grabbing sounds, and immersive audio enhances the viewer's experience, creating an engaging and captivating auditory environment. Attention-grabbing music. Incorporating music that resonates with the viewer's theme and captures the viewer's attention sets the tone for a very good viewing experience. Narrative voiceover. Engaging storytelling through a captivating voiceover draws the viewer in and encourages active listening, enhancing the impact of the hook. Direct tone of voice. Number 1. Personal connection. Addressing the audience directly fosters a sense of intimacy and connection, making viewers feel personally engaged with the actual content. Controversial approach. Using a controversial tone and language creates a welcoming atmosphere, encouraging viewers to feel involved in a dialogue with the creator. Empathetic communication. Expressing empathy and understanding through the tone of voice enhances the emotional connection with the audience, fostering a deeper level of engagement throughout the whole video. Hint at the payoff. Number 1. A compelling hook leaves viewers curious and eager to learn more, hinting at the value they'll gain from watching the entire video, thus encouraging them to stay engaged. Number 2. Anticipating building. Creating anticipation for the content's payoffs keep the viewers invested in the video, motivating them to continue watching to satisfy their curiosity. Number 3. Value proposition. Clearly communicating the benefits and value that viewers will gain from watching the video encourages them to stay engaged and invested in the content. Section 3. Real-life case studies and key takeaways. Monét Ngeon, a master of engagement. Monét's use of captivating visuals, immersive sounds, and engaging storytelling techniques keeps her audience deeply engaged and coming back for more. Makeup storytime videos. The fusion of makeup tutorials with storytelling creates highly engaging and shareable content, drawing viewers in with the promise of transformation and compelling narratives. Key takeaways for content creators. Enhancing viewer engagement. Incorporating movements, audio stimulation, direct tone, and hints in the video hooks significantly enhance viewer engagement and retention. Crucial first moments. The first few seconds of a video are crucial when capturing the retaining audience interest, emphasizing the importance of compelling hooks. Learning from successful creators. Experimenting with different techniques and learning from successful creators can elevate the quality of content and attract a larger audience to the channel. That's it for this video. If you guys did like it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.